This is how to figure out how many days are in this year. This is great to find out number of days or leap years, that kind of thing. So what we're going to do is we have the year here, and we can just take a date, which is this year, plus 1, and comma 1, which is the January 1st, and then subtract exactly the same thing except not add the 1. So it'll be A2, month 1, comma 1, and we get 365. Now if we change the year to next year, it's also 365, and we see 366 for 2028, which is a leap year. So this is great to find out how many days are in this year, but this is the year if we know it. We could also say year today as a proxy for the year. So this will automatically be updated every single day. Obviously, during the year, it'll always be this particular year, but once that year switches over to 2026, you'll have a different number. So this formula here is an automatic way to figure out how many days are in this particular year, no matter what year it is. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.